Okay, hello. Here's another switch trying to fix thing, and I have not been making very much YouTube clips. I have been working a little bit, so fortunately sometimes you have to make a little money in between so you can live, but I will try to make more of this. Hopefully soon there will be more. But I bought this one, and I was a little skeptical. It was broken here, that maybe it has fallen. It's also a little bit broken here, but the problem is exactly what I wanted. This should go to the boot logo and not forward. So let's plug this in and see what happens. Okay, so we can see that it wants to do exactly what it should turn on. It's drawing right amps, it's starting to slow charge and then fast charge. Now it can't go forward. Something is happening here. It's not getting the right response for some components, and I don't know, but I feel like it would be the Wi-Fi chip again. I have tried with Hecate. I have tried to boot custom firmware into this, or not custom operating system, and it won't boot past this screen. And this was exactly what I had on the earlier one. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to hit the Wi-Fi chip. I'm going to do the little tuck test that it would move, and all the solder balls will go back together, and then we're gonna boot it and see if that fixes it. So let's take it apart, and then we're going to hit the Wi-Fi chip. Yeah, I get back when it's apart. Okay, so I've taken it apart. It looks really good. It's there's no damage of any work ever been done on this. I feel like this is totally untouched. This is attached, so this has not been opened. Little dusty. Really clean. And now I'm just wondering, should I would really want to just hit this up when it's attached, but maybe I take the motherboard out anyway, because this is also dry, so if I get it to work I'm going to have to change this anyway. And yeah, I'll take it apart and then we do the heating. It's safer also to spare the screen from a lot of heat, so yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, I have it set up now, and let's put the the microscope is also filming. Let's put some flux on there. Okay, so I have it now. I want to have about 400. Let's heat it. I'm heating from a distance now. Airflow is something in middle. That's good. All right. Now let's let it cool and then we test it. I'm going to clean it a little bit also, but now we're just gonna let it cool. Yeah. Okay, so I have it put together enough again for testing. Just the battery. There we go. Now, moment of truth. Will it boot or not? Let's see. Okay. Black screen. Interesting. Okay. A black screen. By just heating the... Okay, so it's not showing the logo. It's giving a black screen. If this goes to Hecate, I think I'm gonna try that. Strange though. Let's see what kind of charge it takes. Let's see what kind of charge it takes. But this is really interesting because the only thing I did was heated the Wi-Fi chip. Okay. Okay, 0.41. Battery icon. Now, look at this. There we go. How strange it is, but it is the Wi-Fi chip. This is the second one now with the boot logo that is fixed with the Wi-Fi chip. I feel real comfortable in believing that most of them can be that. However, it can be other stuff too, of course, but how cool is that? Okay, let's put it back together. This was strange that it booted the second time. I don't have touchscreen. But this is really good news. And I'm going now to... Yeah, I'm going to remove also this shield. I'm going to put new thermal paste underneath and then everything back together and then we test it. Yes, let's do that. Okay, I have put everything here back together. Now this, since it's broken, I'm going to change it to another one, but let's put it now for now on. So let's have a look. Just turn it on. And let's hope for the best. Yeah. We're in. Let's get some Joy-Cons. There's a lot of games here. Okay, so I just noticed one thing here. This switch is not working. let's go into the settings and internet. Now internet settings. Now there is no Wi-Fi at all. Okay, this one is working, and this one is the broken one. And I just want to show the error history here. So here's, for instance, on the broken one, a 21101111, and here's a 21101111. I think that's if you got flight mode on and try to go to the internet, you can get that. Now then we have 21101100, and I have that on both too. And I think that's if when you try to go online with Wi-Fi information that is, for instance, wrong or something, you can get that error. But then we got 21101115, and this one I don't have here, and I think that has to do with it somehow not finding the Wi-Fi chip at all, or something similar. So this is the error report that has to do with this problem. Okay, so if anybody has any thoughts about this and have some more information about that error screen, then put comment down there. I'm going to explore this a little bit more. I'm not going to rebuild this now. I will do it eventually. I don't have a spare chip either. I could take one from my other broken switches, but that would mean I have to manually rebuild it. I don't have a stencil, so it's still gonna be a different video. I don't really know now at this point. I just want to find out more about this, and before I go and do something stupid that maybe isn't even the right answer. But yeah, from now you just have a really nice Christmas and Happy New Year, and be well. So it managed to boot. If I would reboot this, I'm almost certain it won't go forward from the boot logo. So let's try to do that. Let's try to do a reboot. Restart. Yep.